Today's maths lesson. In this lesson, we are going to do bonds to 10 and subtraction related facts. So we're going to look at how addition and subtraction are similar and solve missing number problems. We're going to recognize subtraction pairs of 7 and to substitute 7. We're going to also explore number bonds to 10. For this lesson, we will need the words add, 10, bonds, subtract, take away, and plus. Don't forget to practice counting all the way from 1 to 100. Let's recap. What are the bonds of tens? Remember, the bonds of tens mean two numbers that we put together to make the whole 10. Remember, 10 is our whole here. If you can, write down all the bonds of tens that you can remember. Now let's check it. We have 0 and 10 makes 10, 1 and 9 makes 10, 2 and 8 makes 10, 3 and 7 makes 10, 4 and 6 makes 10, and 5 and 5 makes 10. Think about this question. Do you think we will get the same number if we swap the numbers around? So instead of having 0 and 10, we have 10 and 0. Do you think 10 and 0 is the same as 0 and 10? Or 1 and 9 is the same as 9 and 1? If you think it is the same, you are correct. We will get the same answer if we swap the numbers around. Now, let us solve the following numbers. Here we have 7 plus something that equals to 10. Now, to help us solve this, we can turn this into a subtraction sentence. We can take the number 10 and put it in front 10 and take away the number that we know we have. So 10 take away 7 equals to how many do we have left? How many did we not put a line through? And that is our answer. 1, 2, and 3. So 10 take away 7 equals to 3. You can also check your answer by adding this number to your addition problem. And now saying 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Let's try it with the number 2. 2 plus a number equals to 10. Now remember, to make it easier, we can turn it into a subtraction sum. What do you think our subtraction sum will be? 10 minus 2 equals to 8. So now we have 10 minus 2, which means we take away 2, and we count how many left we have, and we have 8 left. You can try to check your answer by saying 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Let's try it with this one. Here we have 10 minus 6. 6 plus something equals to 10. So we swap it around, make it a subtraction problem. 10 minus 6. And when we take away 6, we get how many left? 4. We get 4 left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we know that 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Be sure to pause the video before the answers are given so that you can try and solve these problems on your own. Now let's try it with the number 1. 1 plus what equals to 10? We turn it into a subtraction problem. We make it 10 minus 1. So we put a line through the 1, and now how many do we have left? We have 9 left. So 10 take away 1 equals to 9. And when you put the 9 here, 1 plus 9 equals to 10. you can check that your answer is correct. Let's try it with this one. 5 plus something equals to 10. Now, what would your subtraction problem be? 10 minus 5 equals to 5. So 10 minus 5 equals to 5 because we put a line through 5 and now we have 5 left. So 10 minus 5 equals to 5. If you've got this answer, you are doing amazing. Let's try another one. 10 plus how many equals to 10? Now what would the subtraction problem be here? 10 minus 10 equals to 0. So now we have 10. We took away all 10 and we have nothing left. So 10 minus 10 equals to 0. And if we put our 0 here, we can see that 10 plus 0 is still going to be 10. Try solving these problems on your own. Yusuf has brought 10 glue sticks to school. He gave 8 of those glue sticks to his friends. How many does he have left? What will your subtraction problem be? And draw a picture to help you find the answer. If you'd like, you can always take a picture and send it to your teacher. She'd love to see your work. But for now, we've come to the end of the lesson. Assalamu alaikum. See you tomorrow.